So here we are at eXp Global's events calendar. And of course, as you know, because we have this avatar world, you can attend any of these training sessions, no matter where they're being hosted in eXp world. You'll just have to do the time conversion to your own local time. But if you are using a Google Calendar, it'll actually do it automatically for you. So today is Monday, the 30th of May. You can check through whatever training is happening there. Then tomorrow, Tuesday, 31st of May, let's have a look through what we like the look of here. So at 7 a.m. there's an icon series training. You'll see icon series. Anything that says icon series is being run by an icon agent. And the icon agents are the most successful agents in eXp around the world. In South Africa, to be an icon agent, you have to do 5 million Rand gross commission each year. So that agent is making about 4.7 million Rand a year. These are very, very successful agents around the world. And in order to get their incentive, which is they get given their cap back in eXp shares, in order to get those shares, they have to do a certain number of hours training in eXp world. I think it's 6 sessions. Now that's why you see so much icon series training, because these are icon agents doing training so that they can get their shares back from eXp. And the beauty of this is we get to hear from the top agents in the world teaching us to do what they are currently doing in order to be so successful. It is such a powerful concept. So let's look at the one at 7 a.m. Icon series, please remove your shoes, understanding cultural nuances in real estate. That could be really interesting from a South African point of view. Then there are a couple of at 8 o'clock, icon series, how to market yourself for free on social media. Wow, that looks interesting. Icon series, managing buyers in a competitive market. Then there's something in the UK auditorium. Then British Columbia, they've got an office meeting. Icon series, obtaining and mastering buyer agency to grow your business. Not sure how relevant that'll be for South Africa. 11 o'clock, there's an icon series training, controlling the conversation. 3 ways to greater success on appointments. You know, this is all fascinating. So if we click on one of these, let's say we like this idea of controlling the conversation in our appointments. We click on that, it then opens up further detail on that. This is being held in the Icon Auditorium. If you want a map to how to get there in eXp World, you can click that. In this course, you will learn how to break through the communication barrier and make your leads and clients feel comfortable and want to do business with you. Topics covered include how to get your customers talking, how to gain the customer's trust through body language, and how to get your customers to like you. At the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently walk into a listing or buyer's appointment and increase your chances of a signed agreement. This is being hosted by Zachary Coletti. So I always like doing a little Google search on these guys. So this is our dude. He's an icon agent, as he's got branded on his little website here, eXp Icon. And nice looking website, professional, got some client testimonials in there on the homepage. So this is the guy who's going to be giving this training on 3 ways to greater success on appointments. Man, that sounds good. So let's say we want to attend this one. I'm going to click this little button here that says copy to my calendar. Now I do have my Google Calendar on my computer. I do work with a Google Calendar, and it integrates with my calendar on my normal Apple calendar. And what this does is it adds it in your local time. So if I click save, and then I look on tomorrow. Okay, so that is going to be 8 p.m. in South African time tomorrow. And then in order to get in, I'll just go to the Icon Auditorium. So that's how simple it is to use this calendar of events coming up in eXp. And as you can see, as you scroll down, it just loads more and more and more of this. So, I mean, you can plan what training you want to do and what training, why not get together with your team? If you've got a team geographically close to you, get together and do some of this training together. Absolutely fantastic opportunity. So, I mean, literally weeks in advance, you can do your planning of what training you want to do. Well, I hope you do get stuck into the eXp Global training. It's fantastic. and I trust that it's a huge blessing to you and your business.